Hi everyone, myself Charan Tejas from Western Institute of Technology. Today I am very excited to showcase my first web application, which is for service compliance for the hostel students who are staying in there. They're gonna complain in my app, in my web application, and where admin can see what complaints they are posted. This is the code for it. Uh, I basically installed some of the packages which are very useful for it where I connected Firebase for it. Basically, I use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Node.js and the Firebase for this project. Here we can see the install what I am installed, and coming to the code here, I install the Firebase. Uh, this is the initialize of the Firebase code, and I use the Express where for dynamic web page we use view engine, EJS file, and public is for storing my images. And coming to the code here, this is the starting HTML login page HTML where we can see the admin page, login page, and the sign in page. And this is the code for it, and this is the code for it. You can check out on my GitHub. Any doubts you can comment on it. And this is the sign in page code. This is the sign in page code, and this is the admin login page code, and this is the user login route where it goes into this route. Let me run the code. To run the code, we have to go Node.js. Here we can see my server is working. Let me go to my code. I used the 3000 as my server. Here we can see the user login, admin login, and create account. Uh, Let me create an account. Mm, Let me give my name Sharon and my roll number. I give my password, and I take three hostel. Yes, sir. We can VSL. This is familiar for the boys in Vishnu College. And let me give a roll number. Here we can see just I submit for it. Here we can see after the submission, here we can see it's sign in successful. Let us go to the Firebase. Before I do it, I also place some of the login accounts. Here we can see the details of it, and here we can see here the password is in hash format. For the privacy purpose, I made it, and here I can show for you. Mm, Here we can see that it's generate a key, a random key for it, and uh, here we can see it generates the hash key for it. And here after the completion of a sign in verify, let us go to the login page. This is the login page. By default I give the value. Let us go to the same page and enter the password. This is the user login page, and let us submit for it. It's got an error, incorrect password. Let us check what I mistake done. Here we can see this is my code, and 21PA 1805C4, and oh, and the caps lock. showing an error. Here we can see it is entered. I entered incorrect password. Okay. Here we can see it is my dashboard. It's my email ID and this is my name. Uh, this is the dynamic page, right? Here we can see this is my name and this is my email. Here my password and hash. This is the details. We can enter this details also. I just enter two details and I posted an image. And here here whatever the requested complaint is there, it's displayed. And if you want to make any complaint here, we can make a complaint here. And this is the services done by the admin. Let us make a complaint. If let me make a complaint. Bulb is not working. Okay, let I submitted. After the submission, here we can see the complaint is received. And let us go to the login page. Okay, we are entered to the dashboard. And here we can see the bulb is not working. It's the complaint is red. And if you want to delete, you can delete. Let us make another complaint. Okay, fan not working. I'm submitting. Here we can see the another is submitted to the admin. And let us go to the request page. Here we can see this two are entered. If I want to delete one of thing, if I want to delete bulb is not working, let me delete. Here we can see it is deleted. Let us go to and check whether it is deleted or not. If you see it's deleted, right? Okay. Uh, if you can see here, no service is done by the admin, right? Let us go to the admin page and check out for it. Let me show first the user login code. User code. This is the login code, right? I basically shown this code, shown this website. This is the full code for it, and this is the admin login route, and this is the user login route. And coming to the user login route, coming here we can see that user login page route and request route, delete route, request route, delete route, and complaint route. Let us go here. Here we can see. Let us go into the admin login page. Uh, Coming to the Firebase account, here this is my admin route. In the admin route, we can see the details of my name, email, and the password. I'm just refreshing my code due to network issue. Okay, here we can see the three. This is admin, this is user, and whatever the admin is served, it comes here. And I think it's clear for the. This is the delete route. Before I deleted right one is bulb is not working. And this is the code for it. This is a complaint to make any complaints, and for the complaint submission route code and the services, what are the services done by the admin, it can show here. And coming to the admin route, let us check here. This is the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard code, and what are the complaints raised here we can see using this code. And if he service, if he or she service here, this is the code for it. and and this is the completed route. These are the pages for it. You can check out here. Just I uploaded my GitHub code, and you can check out there. If any issues, you can ping me in comments. Let us go to the admin login page. This is the admin page. Here my admin name is and Sharon, and this is admin page, right? Let us see the request complaints. Before this, I also gave some of the complaints using another names, and let us take fan is not working before I completed, right? Let us go and service this. It's refresh. Okay, complaint is service, and go to the services run. Here we can see I take as a C4, right? And it is service. And let us go into the user login place. Password, hello. Right. Okay. Here you can see I'm logged. If you see here, it is service, right? It is service, right? And let us check here. What are the services complained by the admin? It shows here. Here we can see there are the three complaints serviced by the admin, and those complaints we can see here. Okay, and coming to the complaint code, if what are the complaints raised and they are in the pending, where we can see here what are the complaints are there, and this is service. These are the services which are done by the admin. And this is my the code. This is my code. That's it, that's it, guys. If any doubts, just ping me, and let me show the code of admin. What are the complaints spread? This is the code for it. These all are routes, right? Here we can see the rest.render service admin, right? It goes into the service. This it is go into the EJS file. These are the EJS files. Here we can see in view. I placed the code. What are the code? The service admin request EJS. This is the code for it. And here I use the 3000 as a port, and whenever it works, its service is working. And in console, I just print whether it's working or not. That's it, guys. This is my web page for it. If you like the video, thank you.